The Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max comes with 6.9 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and Xiaomi Dragon crystal glass protection. Rear camera's 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, plus 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with OIS, and 50-megapixel ultrawide angle camera with 8K video, 32-megapixel selfie with 4K video, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 3nm chipset. It runs on Android 16, based on HyperOS 3, comes with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.1 on. Board storage, no microSD card, backed by a massive 7560 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging, measures 7.9. 8.3mm thickness, and 220 grams weight, and color options. Golden white, black, champion edition, and denim blue. Other features, includes in-display fingerprint sensor, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C charging, Type-C jack, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68 rating. Pricing starts at 3,999 Chinese yuan for the 12 GB plus 256 GB model.